Super weather.
We've got a winter mess on our hands here across North Texas. Winter storm warnings remain in place until noon on Sunday, and an ice storm warning is in place for areas to our south and east. Areas like Canton and Athens included in that, and that extends down towards Palestine, also running until noontime tomorrow. So today we're looking at a mixture of precipitation types. Some locations seeing freezing rain, a lot of spots getting in on sleet today, but we've even seen some snowflakes already here this morning, and that will continue to be mixed in from time to time here throughout the course of the day today. There will be lulls in the activity as we move into the midday and afternoon, but more of in the way of winter precip heading our direction as we move into tonight. We'll start to see all of this come to an end as we move into your Sunday, but the bitter cold, that will stick with us even as we move into the early part of next week. So as we head through your Saturday, you'll notice throughout the course of the day, it's a mixture of freezing rain and sleet. I think more in the way of sleet, especially as we move deeper into the day, but some snowflakes occasionally mixing in across parts of the area throughout this afternoon and into this evening. We'll start to see another plume of moisture move into the mix, and then as we head towards your Sunday, we'll start to see all of this come to an end. I think it'll end as a little bit of snow across parts of our region, but temperatures going to stay in the freezer as we move into the next couple of days. We do have that concern for some ice accretion across parts of the region, especially to our south and to our east, and those locations could see between a quarter to a half inch, and in some cases even higher ice amounts going to be found. And whenever you get that kind of accretion of ice, that's when you could see broken tree branches, power outages. So again, something to be mindful of as we are moving through the weekend time period. On top of the winter precip, we've also got bitterly cold temperatures. An extreme cold warning is in place for everyone here. It runs from 6 o'clock this evening until noon on Monday. Wind chill values as low as -5 to -10. Actual high temperatures in the 20s, but with the winds gusting upwards of 25 and 30 miles per hour, of course, it's going to feel even colder than that. This afternoon, we've got wind chill values down into the single numbers and teens in through tonight and early tomorrow morning. Some locations, those feels like values will be below zero. So again, you need to do what you can to protect yourself. If you are going to be outside for any stretch of time, you need to make sure all of your fingers, your head, everything is covered. As temperatures continue to struggle even in the early part of next week, we won't make it back up above freezing until we get to Tuesday, with a high temperature returning to the low 40s.
Sign up for super weather.